Have you been struggling with pesky oral health issues like gum disease, bad breath, or sensitivity? You are not alone. It seems like millions deal with these problems. But did you know many of the true culprits have been hiding in plain sight? New research shows imbalanced bacteria and lack of oxygen in our gums may be key drivers of periodontal issues. And the bacteria that causes bad breath actually forms down in our lungs before traveling up. When we breathe polluted indoor and outdoor air, it allows microbes to overgrow further down and invade our mouths. But there is hope. Natural solutions are emerging that get to the root of what's really impacting our oral health. One innovative daily supplement supports a balanced microbiome while also oxygenating gums for enhanced healing. Clinical studies show it helps cleanse airways of harmful microbes so they can't take hold in our mouths in the first place. Best of all, it's an easy, one-a-day solution you can feel good about. By targeting what's really going on beneath the surface, products like this may be the key to maintaining healthy teeth and gums long term. It's time to uncover the hidden culprits and give our smiles their fighting chance.